jigéenu jant jigéenu weer yaa ñu leeral ya yonga cant kun fiicu yaa ko weeña
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Jotaayu Mimi. Today our subject is about the reform of the institutions. But before that, I would like to express my condolences to the families of all victims of the tragic traffic accident that occurred in Nibi. It's terrible. We have lost 41 citizens. But again, the road is killing, and what we expect from the government is to move from word to actions. There's been a ministerial council 2 days ago, but this is the third one. So what we expect from the government really is to take action and to make sure that people can travel safely within the country. To come back to our subject, the reform of the institution, it's all about containing the overwhelming power of the president. The president decides over everything in the country. So it's about time that we really contain, his mission. We do believe that we need a hearing committee when it comes to appointment at the highest level, be it ministers, CEOs, top experts. We really need to have a committee composed of different, experts coming from different walks of the society, and the president would suggest 3 names, and those names would, those people would come and in front of the hearing committee, all to make sure that we are appointing the best of our citizens to help our country move forward. That's one. Second, we do believe that we have to make real progress when it comes of separating the different powers. There is still a very important link between the president and the appointment of the judges and the prosecutors. That needs to end. If we really do want to have an independent justice system, we have to make sure that the judges and the prosecutors don't owe to the president their appointment, their nomination. So I'm suggesting that within the Justice Council, I can call it like that because it's difficult to find one word for Conseil Supérieur de la Magistrature. I would say it's a high council of judges and prosecutors. It's under the leadership of the president, which is the executive branch. The president, even though he could stay there, but his only role would be to sign the proposition and the suggestion made by a committee that would manage magistrate career. And he would not be the one picking and choosing. I think if we make that progress, we would witness further independence of the justice system. That's very important also to open up that high council to civil society, for instance, to young people organization, to consumers organization. We can discuss about that. So I think really, lifting up the upper hand of the president upon the justice system is very important to strengthen our democracy. We also need maybe, Jan, to sort of put together the different financial control organization that we have, be it IGE, we call it, or Cour des Comptes, or OFNAC. We can put them into just one institution. But again, the most important part is to make sure that they are really independent, that they are not appointed by the president, and their report is not used politically. So that is also something important. We also need to strengthen the parliament, the legislative branch. The last reform, the constitutional reform of 2016, said very clearly that the parliament can call upon ministers, prime ministers, to discuss upon the result of the different programs, development programs. The MP, Guy Marissanya and myself, we call upon the prime minister to come and explain to the parliament the whole story about the Cour des Comptes report. We are still waiting. So this is a sign that we need to really further balance the power of the institution. He needs to come to the parliament and talk about this report, because we are supposed to be representing the people. And that's in the law. So that is very important that he does so. This is what I wanted today to discuss with you for our English speaker followers. Unfortunately, I went through different questions in French and in Wolof, but I wanted to make a quick summary for the friends who don't speak neither Wolof nor French. Thank you very much.